Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, I am going to show you how I put together a spine of a junk journal with buttons. In other words, how I sew buttons on the spine in a junk journal. Some of you have requested to show you how I do it. So this is my take. So if you're new, welcome. I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of content, just keep on watching. And if you like it, don't forget to like and leave me a comment down below and let me know what other kinds of tutorials you would like to see in my channel. So yeah, so let's go ahead and flip the camera and show you this tutorial. Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, it's going to be a tutorial. I am going to show you how I place buttons on the spine of a junk journal. So the first thing that I do is I select the buttons, and based on the colors of your cover or not, I use this fabric, which is very kind of like dark blue, white, and light blue as well. And in the collection we have like several colors like pinks and kind of like mustard green. So this is the plan that I have right now. I probably should be taking a picture of it, but I am not, because I'm gonna roll with the flow. So here's my way that I'm gonna be putting these buttons together. So I'm gonna come closer. So the spine has two signatures, right? Which means we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6 holes where my main, I want to say, buttons are gonna be these ones, right? And as you can see, if I put buttons like in the same size, it will be too bulky. That's why I am alternating the buttons based on the color of them and the size. So number one, let's start with binding. But before, let me show you. I use waxed thread, and this kind is black. So I am going to come back because I have to thread these wax, and it will show you the whole process. So I created a little template and already punched the holes, the 3 holes, and also punched the holes over here, as you can see. One, there's the other one, and then there's the other one, right? So now the thread, I'm gonna come closer again, the thread. So it's gonna be, because of the buttons, I'm gonna do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is how long my thread is going to be. And now I'm going to start with the center. Here is my center. That. And then what I do, so this one won't go away, I clip it. So now, center, so my first button. So I'm starting from the right to left, right? So I'm going to do pink, and I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see better. So this is what I do, the pink, then I do a small one, and I normally select buttons with 2 holes, not with 4, so it's easy to do it and less complicated. So I push it here, let's do the heart. Well, the heart, it's not gonna be a good one. So let's see how that goes here. And let's do a big one. Let's do a blue. Blue, blue, blue. So things are lining up, and then I need the last one for the other hole. So it's gonna be this hole here. And let's take a look. Hole over here. You see how this thread, so now we're going to and I'm probably going to do this like that and hold it over here so it won't move. Good. Now I have to do the other hole, which is in here and is here. Shoot. Okay. Good. So now we are going to put the other buttons. Let's do this tiny little one here. Down. And you're probably wondering why these buttons are going to be loose, etc. Well, you will see once I do the other signature what is my trick. So let's do one button here, and then of course this button is too small, so what I'm going to do is do this other one. Like that. And then let's do the purple. Let's do the purple. Okay, like that. And I need a medium size one, probably this one. Yeah. Okay. You're seeing here. And now I have to find out the center, which I believe the center is this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. You see that? So now I gotta go in here. You see that? We tighten a little bit, not too much. And then this one, my signature is bound. Then I do the other side. Good. So I have one signature done, and you're thinking, oh, what's going on here, right? What's going to happen here is that I am going to be gluing these loose ones once I do the other signature. So now I am in my second signature, and now I have to go in the center. So I'm not gonna go on top, but I'm gonna go, yeah, let's do it on top. It's this one. You see that? And then I go here. And I'm going to hold these up a little bit. And you see how my buttons are good. Okay. So I'm gonna tie it in here. Making sure that everything is tight. And these buttons are not loose. Okay. Just gonna. Alright. Now, my trick for these other ones is to glue them. So I'm gonna get my fabric tack and start gluing on the fabric so they remain there. So let's glue this puppy here. Just a little bit of glue, not too much, because we don't want to cover the button with glue, right? Down. And then we do the same thing with here, these three. 1, 2, and 3. So they don't move. Then we do 1, 2, and 3. And there we go. They remain glue and they don't move. And that is how you do a spine with buttons. Then here it is. So I'll probably put it like that. I glue these right away, and of course. And I use Rosy Studios collection, so the signatures with some white pages, doilies, you know, kind of like plain. And then the second signature. Nothing too fancy, nothing too elaborated. And there you go. Here is the spine with buttons, glued. They won't move. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see other types of tutorial. And thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.